What's up YouTube? Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx, and on this video here today, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as we find out the true top speed on this Kawasaki Z125 Pro. Now this Z125 Pro specifically is a 2018 model with just over 3,000 miles. Essentially it's bone stock with the exception of this rattle can that was added to it. These don't do anything for performance, it's more or less for the exhaust note, so we're still calling this one bone stock. But either way, we're gonna be taking this one out and verifying the top speed on it and also the accuracy of Kawasaki speedometer as we're doing that top speed run. But before we take you guys out for the ride video, in the comment section, I'm replying to every single comment on this video. So if you wanna talk to Siegfried's Motorwerx, this video is your opportunity. And as always, don't forget you can get merch just like this on our website, smwx717parts.com, link in the bio. Either way, let's get out and find out exactly how fast America's favorite beginner bike really is. So we're actually gonna get the highway top speed test run done first, and then we'll show you what like real usages on the way back. Factory speedometer is located right here. iPhone's located right here. On my way out to here, I noticed that there's about a 4 to 5 mile per hour discrepancy between this and this. So if you're watching this, again, this is the Kawasaki is about 4 miles per hour optimistic on the speed. So either way, let's get this highway top speed test run done and over with. For the sake of this video, I am like 6'2" and I am like 275 pounds. So a little bit of a bigger boy here, in case you're wondering like why my numbers are different than yours might be. Alright, let's get into a top 2 so that way we can try and give this thing everything it's got. 61 is low car. 62. 64 has been the top speed test so far, or top speed shown. Alright, I don't want to just run this thing. I don't run this thing like that just to possibly see 65 for that long. 64 mile per hour top speed test on the highway with a 6'2" pilot that weighs in at 275 pounds. Some of you skinny minis out there, you might see a little bit higher speed, but I don't know how much more because that was like 9,500 RPM. We were just cusping on 64 miles per hour. I'm not going to tuck, I'm not going to do anything fancy. Let's see what it's like for a top speed in terms of like with hills and stuff. So just in a full upright position, cruising down through 4th gear, wide open throttle, with a little bit of elevation changes. So far I've seen 61 miles per hour there. Not much. That's one thing with the 125. I mean, you definitely do get a degradation, or you're not going to be able to hold that speed up hills and stuff like that. So here we go again, a little bit of downhill. Now watch, we're hitting a little bit of an incline. We were at 58, now we're dropping down, 54, 55, 54, 55, 54. This is a super jumpy speedometer out of the box. It's kind of crazy. What are you guys seeing on your Z125s or your Groms? Answer in the comment section. Here we go, this is a downhill. Stretch, 61. Again, I'm fully upright, 6'2", 275. What are we hitting? 61. I guess that's not that bad. There you have it, 64 miles per hour top speed on this Z125 Pro. GPS verified as the speedometer being about 4 miles per hour off, so a true GPS top speed of 60 miles per hour on the Z125. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to get some Siegfried's Motorwerx merch, like the OG pink and teal, you can get this at smwx717parts.com. It's a great way to support your favorite small CC dealership. New videos every single Monday, except for this Monday because it's Tuesday because we messed around. But new videos for the most part every single Monday at 4 p.m. New shorts content posted every single day. We appreciate you guys watching. Remember, in that comment section, I'm answering everybody. So if you want to hear from the Motorwerx boys, now is your opportunity. But as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.